Peppa Pig, Peppa's Fishy Friends. And if you'd like to buy this book, check in the link description down below. Goldie is Peppa's pet fish. Today, she looks a bit sad. I think Goldie is lonely, says Peppa. She hasn't got any fishy friends. Maybe Goldie could visit the aquarium, says Mummy Pig. An aquarium is a place where there are lots of fish. Peppa and her family drive to the aquarium. I hope we can find a friend for Goldie, says Peppa. I'm sure we will, snorts Daddy Pig. The aquarium has every type of fish. Miss Rabbit works at the aquarium. Welcome everyone, she says. Does the aquarium have every type of fish? Asks Peppa. Oh yes, replies Miss Rabbit. Probably. The tanks in the first room are full of tiny fish. Peppa starts to sing. Fishy, 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 swimming in the sea. Who will be a fishy friend for my Goldie? He. Could any of these fish be Goldie's friend? Asked Daddy Pig. Peppa and Goldie look through the glass. No, decides Peppa. They are too small. Peppa tries the next room. Candy Cat is there with her mummy and daddy. Candy's family come to the aquarium all the time. It's better than watching TV, Mrs. Cat beams. We like fish, adds Mr. Cat. What's in that tank? Asks Mummy Pig. Daddy Pig jumps back. The fish in the tank is very big. This fish is too big to be friends with Goldie, decides Peppa. There is something funny in the next tank. Dinosaur, growls George. It's not a dinosaur, says Mummy Pig. It's a funny kind of fish called a seahorse. Peppa thinks that the seahorse is too much like a dinosaur to be Goldie's friend. There is only one room left. This tank is covered in green slime. There is a fish with big long ears, gasps Daddy Pig. It's a rabbit fish. Peppa laughs. It's only Miss Rabbit wearing a diving costume. She's cleaning the glass. There is no more fish tanks. Peppa takes Goldie into the aquarium cafe. Hello, says Miss Rabbit. Did you find a friend for Goldie? No, sighs Peppa. Peppa spots a fish on Miss Rabbit's counter. That's just Ginger, says Miss Rabbit. My pet goldfish. My fish isn't lonely anymore, Peppa laughs. Goldie has found her friend. The end.